How's it going? Okay, so how to make adjustments or create a new page. So we created a page that just started off. It's really nothing we're committed to. It's not even linked to a menu. It's just something that we've been dabbling with until we're ready to launch it and other people to see it, showcase it, show it to the whole world. First foremost, we go to whatever our domain may be, /WP admin. And there's that. You log in, pages, all pages. So there's a page, we have hypothetically a million pages. We don't want to peruse, so we just type in privacy page. It'll be in there somewhere. We made it already. Search pages, and there we have privacy page. So we have edit, we have quick edit, we have trash, we have view, Visual Composer. Now we're all going to gravitate towards quick edit, and just to rain on the parade, it doesn't really offer you much. So we're going to have to go to edit, and don't worry, because before you did all this, you went to settings, you went to tools. Where is it? This inspires confidence. You went to tools, you went to export, and you did the whole export everything. Kapow. Why you do that? Because you're productive, and sometimes you make mistakes, and you would like to be able to revert to the way that things were prior, because that's just how we roll. So here's the privacy page, and here's this, and here's this, and none of this stuff matters. But one day we're going to have this in the footer of the website, or anywhere. It could be anywhere you want. But first, got to church it up. So we have different layouts. We have classic mode. We have front end mode. Stay away from front end mode because it's just going to confuse you. It looks, cool, but looks can be deceiving. See, that's what it kind of looks like, and a lot of room for error. If we wanted to do this, great. Here's the concept sustains. So we respect your privacy. Here's text block. See, there are two different areas right there. Custom heading. So we have heading right there. We have a block of text right there, which the image is. We have another heading right there. Another block of text. So say hypothetically we just want to, change this. We would click the pencil. Pencil is your friend, and we jump in there, and remember this: toggle back, toggle forward, toggle back, toggle forward. Say you don't want that picture. Say you do. If you want to get rid of it, you would click edit. You want to just replace it, you would come over here and replace it, and you'd find one of your other guys in here. And if you needed to drag something over, drag and drop. There you go. And the important thing about this is you can have it link someplace. You can change the size, or you can have it go nowhere. You want it left, you want it right, you want it in the center. And if you decide that, what, I kind of was okay with that the way it was, that's great. This is worth noting. I created some custom code because I'm just that awesome. And in the image CSS, I just type in body. I'll repeat that. Say that you create an image. I'll just show you. So I get rid of that, update, and save changes. Saved, close, and say I want to preview this, update. See how, oh shoot. See how close the, so we're no longer in front end editor. That was nice, but whatever. We're a back end editor. See how close the image is to that? That's not really ideal. So we go back to text block because we're just going to mess with that whole area. Click this, click the pencil. This is where the image comes up, and we're just going to put in the image CSS class body, and watch. Ooh, wow, it's like magic. Get a little bit fancy if you want the animation to do this or do that. You can do this or do that, or you can not. And remember this right here. This is important. If you see gobbledygoo, you're probably in the text. You want, WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get. You can put in content right there. You can title, you can adjust that. There's all these other things you can do. So we did make mention about being able to adjust your own website to add content to it. If you made a mistake, you have a backup. And say you've made a mistake. Well, on the left-hand side, you have this revisions button, browse, and there's a safety net. So I don't want you to be afraid of your website. You can go over to 7 days ago, or you can go over to a minute ago, and you can restore that point. I mean, it's right there. So there's no need to worry. Or if you're like, okay, I'm fine, just return to editor. So if I recall correctly, there was a homework assignment in which you were supposed to get content and make adjustment to a page that does not matter right now. So earlier in front end editor, we showed the layout, and we'll do that again. I'm gonna right click, control click, new tab, so we can see the symmetry. So once again, this is right here, it's the header image. Hover over it, you can see that. Text block, header image, text block. You go over here to the back end editor, you see header, space, text block with an image in there, space, blah, blah. And if you wanted to right click on view page and see what that looks like, well, here you go. There's that, there's that. Oh, well, let's fix that. Remember the reversion that thing I did? Well, let's visit that again. So text block, we've got to adjust it. Go to this, click the pencil. Where'd our tag go? I may not have saved it, but I'm going to save it now. Save. And don't worry about, sometimes it's kind of buggy and it does that. So do that. Hit refresh the wheel. Gives us the space that we want. And yeah, if you wanted an image right there, you could do the same concept. You would just come down to here, text block, put your wherever you want it. Say you want it right there, add media, and the same concept. You would wanted that. Do you want it to link somewhere? Do you want it on the right hand side? Do you want it in the center? Do you want it to not link? How big do you want this to be? And then you would insert into page and you would update. So if you wanted to animate, it's right there. Remember, if you see gobbledygook, it's right there. And this is Visual Composer. This is a little bit more advanced than the typical WordPress, but it's good. It's good. And here's classic mode. It's the typical stuff that we all learned in WordPress, which is it's typical and it's okay. And if we just want okay, then we would have resigned to a mediocre website a long time ago. So I think you want more than okay, and you want to have some degree of empowerment where you can make adjustments to your page. This page right now is a dog, meaning you could not possibly screw this up. So remember, log in, go to this page. When you get content, make adjustments to your privacy page. Feel comfortable with this page. This is the page that doesn't even matter. This is your practice page. And say that you love this layout, this area from this area so much, whatever it may be, you have the option of cloning this. So now we have one. Oh, wow. Say it was just the layout you like, you wanted to change the header, you wanted to change the image, change the header. Well, you just created that. Or you can say, no, I'm good, and you just get rid of it. So I know it's a lot. Segment it, of course, segment it. And yeah, have fun. And of course, I'm still here, you can call me. But I want you to be able to, empowered, work on your website, your web page, and to get a feel for back-end editor, which is this, the front-end editor, and the classic mode. And yeah, the end.